What is the best way to effectively remove pesticides from vegetables and fruits? Pesticides are chemicals used to protect crops from insects, weeds, and diseases. However, consuming these chemicals can be harmful to our health. It's essential to clean vegetables and fruits properly to remove pesticide residues. Here is a detailed guide on the best ways to effectively remove pesticides from vegetables and fruits. 1. Rinse with cold water. The simplest and most common method is to rinse your produce under cold running water. This can remove some surface residues of pesticides. For better results, gently rub the produce with your hands or use a soft brush for items like potatoes and carrots. While this method won't remove all pesticides, it helps reduce the amount. 2. Use a vinegar solution. Vinegar is an effective natural cleaner. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water in a large bowl. Soak your vegetables and fruits in this solution for 10 to 20 minutes. Vinegar helps to break down and remove pesticide residues. After soaking, rinse the produce with cold water to remove any vinegar taste. 3. Baking soda soak. Baking soda is another powerful agent for cleaning produce. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a bowl of water. Soak your fruits and vegetables in this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Baking soda helps to neutralize pesticides. After soaking, rinse thoroughly with cold water. 4. Use commercial produce wash. Commercial produce washes are available in the market specifically designed to remove pesticides. Follow the instructions on the label for the best results. These washes are usually safe and effective, but they can be more expensive than home solutions. 5. Peeling and scrubbing. For some produce, peeling is an effective way to remove pesticides, as many residues remain on the outer layer. Items like apples, cucumbers, and carrots can benefit from peeling. However, peeling also removes some nutrients found in the skin. Use a scrub brush to clean thoroughly under running water for produce with thicker skins, such as potatoes. 6. Blanching. Blanching involves briefly boiling vegetables and then plunging them into ice water. This method can help remove pesticides from produce like leafy greens and broccoli. Boil the vegetables for 1 to 2 minutes, then transfer them to a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. This technique also helps in preserving the color and texture of the vegetables. 7. Soaking in salt water. Salt water can also help remove pesticides. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of salt in a large bowl of water and soak your produce for 10 to 15 minutes. After soaking, rinse the vegetables and fruits with cold water to remove the salt. Tips for specific types of produce. 1. Leafy greens. Separate the leaves and soak them in vinegar or baking soda solution. Rinse thoroughly. 2. Berries. These are delicate and can be soaked in a vinegar solution for a few minutes, then rinse gently with cold water. 3. Root vegetables. Use a brush to scrub root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and beets under running water. General tips. 1. Buy organic. Whenever possible, buy organic produce. Organic farming uses fewer pesticides, reducing your exposure. 2. Clean immediately before use. Wash produce just before using it to prevent mold and bacteria growth during storage. 3. Dry thoroughly. After washing, dry your produce with a clean cloth or paper towel to remove any remaining residues. Effectively removing pesticides from vegetables and fruits is crucial for maintaining your health. Using methods like rinsing, soaking in vinegar or baking soda solutions, and peeling can significantly reduce pesticide residues. Always wash your produce thoroughly before consuming it to ensure it's safe and clean. By following these steps, you can enjoy fresh, healthy, and pesticide-free fruits and vegetables. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel to keep up with our latest content.